Hello friends. Today, we are going to cover the important events in world history, from ancient to modern. So let's dive in. Around 11,000 to 4000 BC, the Agricultural Revolution. 6000 BC, copper was discovered. 3500 BC, bronze was discovered in Egypt. 3500 BC, invention of wheel. 3400 BC, the earliest known writing was invented. 2600 BC, Indus Valley Civilization. 2560 BC, Great Pyramid of Giza. 2000 to 1200 BC, Iron Age. 1850 to 800 BC, the origin and development of modern alphabets. 1700 BC, end of Indus Valley Civilization. 800 to 336 BC, the rise of ancient Greek civilization. 776 BC, Olympic Games first recorded. 400 BC, first compass was invented by Chinese people. 360 BC, the period of Aristotle and Plato. 312 BC, the Petra was built. 214 BC, construction of the Great Wall of China begins. 200 BC, paper is invented in China. 4 BC, the birth of Jesus. 80 CE, the Colosseum was built. 1299 CE, establishment of the Ottoman Empire. 1436, invention of printing press. 1450, Machu Picchu was built. 1492, Christopher Columbus discovered America. 1498, Vasco da Gama arrived India. 1582, invention of modern calendar. 1600, British East India Company established in India. 1632 to 48, Taj Mahal was built. 1665, the Great Plague of England. 1687, Isaac Newton published Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica. 1700s, Benjamin Franklin is credited for discovering electricity. 1707, Union of England and Scotland. 1760, Industrial Revolution begin. 1776, Declaration of American Independence. 1799, invention of electric battery. 1799 to 1815, the Napoleonic Wars. 1795, the first graphite pencils were used. 1789 to 1799, French Revolution. 1796 to 1885, the Medical Revolution. 1806, invention of engine. Around 19th century, the invention of Portland cement. 1822, invention of computer. 1848, European revolutions. 1861, American Civil War started. 1876, invention of telephone by the Alexander Graham Bell. 1879, invention of light bulb. 1892, fingerprinting was officially adopted. 1895, X-rays were discovered. 1896, Marconi invented wireless telegraphy system. December 17, 1903, Aeroplane was invented. 1904. Russia-Japan War. 1905. Discovery of the theory of relativity by Einstein. June 15, 1909. International Cricket Council founded. 1912. Republic of China established. 1914. Beginning of World War I. 1917. Russian Revolution. 1918. End of World War I. 1919. Treaty of Versailles signed. 1920 to 1939. The rise of Adolf Hitler and the Nazis. 1929 to 1939. The Great Depression. 1923. Turkey declared republic. 1930s. Nuclear energy was discovered. 1939 World War II begins. 1943. The Green Revolution began. 1945. Atomic bombing on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. 1945. The end of World War II. 1945. The United Nations founded. In mid-20th century. The decolonization movement. 1946. Civil War in China. 1947 to 1991. Cold War. 1947. Indian independence and partition. 1947. Invention of transistor. 26 January 1950. Adoption of the Indian Constitution. 1950s to 1960s. The Civil Rights Movement. 1950 to 1953. Korean War. 1955 to 1975. The Vietnam War. October 4, 1957. The Soviet Union launched the Earth's first artificial satellite. 1965 to 1995. The birth of the Internet. July 16, 1969. The moon landings. 1989. The fall of the Berlin Wall. 1989. Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web. 1991. Collapse of the Soviet Union and independent Russian Federation. 1998. Google is founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. 2001. The 9/11 attacks. 2005. YouTube started. 2008. Global financial crisis. And in 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic spreads globally.